Then I am going to discuss about Mie scattering. When the diameter of the scatterer, here who is the scatterer? There are atoms of gas or molecules of gas which is present in our earth atmosphere. When the diameter of the scatterer is similar to or larger than the wavelength of the incident light, in this condition scattering will occur, means this type of scattering is known as Mie scattering. All are clear with this? The wavelength of the incident light equal or larger than the diameter of the scatterer, that means gas molecules. In this situation the scattering of sunlight will occur, means this type of scattering is known as Mie scattering. These scattering caused by dust, smoke, water droplets and other particles in the lower portion of the earth atmosphere. In addition, Mie scattering only the responsible for white appearance of the clouds. Underline this point. Mie scattering only the responsible for white appearance of the clouds, that is, when white light falls on the water drop, all the colors are equally scattered, which together form the white light. Next, Tyndall scattering. All are seen or observed in your home itself, this Tyndall scattering, that is, when a beam of sunlight enters into a dirty room through a window, then its path becomes visible to us. Maybe all are seen this. This is because the tiny dust particles present in the air of the room scatter the beam of light. This is an example of Tyndall scattering. In another, the scattering of light rays by the colloidal particles in the colloidal solution is called Tyndall scattering or Tyndall effect. What is meant by the beam of light? Tell me. This is light ray. Then more than one light ray passing towards the same medium, that means all the light rays are parallel to each other. This energy only, that means this type of light energy only, beam of light. What is meant by colloid? Colloid is a microscopically small substance that is equally dispersed throughout another material. This is our daily example only: milk, ice cream, muddy water, smoke. These and all best example for colloid. Then finally I am going to discuss about Raman scattering. This is one of the interesting of light phenomena. Let's see. When a parallel beam of monochromatic light passes through a gas or light or transparent solids, a part of light rays are scattered. For example, this only, what is this? This only transparent, example for transparent solid. Lot of examples are there. Now I am having this only, that is why I am telling this. This is a concave mirror, this is also transparent solid medium. The scattered light contains some additional frequencies or wavelengths other than that of incident frequency or wavelength. This is known as Raman scattering or Raman effect. We have already studied that Rayleigh scattering. In Rayleigh scattering, the frequency or wavelength of the light, that means incident light before scattering and after scattering, which are equal. But in Raman scattering, before scattering, the wavelength or frequency of incident light is different for after scattering, or different from the the light ray scattering after scattering. Simply we can say means the frequency or wavelength of the incident light is not equal to the frequency or wavelength of scattered light. This is Raman effect. Definition of Raman scattering. The interaction of light ray with the particles of pure liquids or transparent solids, which leads to a change in wavelength or frequency. What is meant by this? The pure liquids or transparent solid materials involved into this scattering process means it leads to a change in wavelength or frequency of the light. What is the expression related to energy and frequency? Energy is directly proportional to frequency, that is E is directly proportional to nu. From this we want to determine the wavelength means that is 1 divided by nu. We can remove this directly proportional means, that is in equation means E is equal to h nu. Here h is Planck constant. From this expression C is equal to nu lambda. This is relation between velocity of light and wavelength of light. From this expression we can determine nu is equal to C by lambda. In other words, lambda is equal to C by nu. We can substitute, instead of this nu, C by lambda means E is equal to hc divided by lambda. This is very important expression. Then energy is inversely proportional to wavelength, and also frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. From this we can understand well, E is directly proportional to frequency and energy and frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. Energy increased means frequency of light also increased. Energy decreased means frequency also decreased. But one thing, energy or frequency increased means wavelength will be decreased. At the same time, energy or frequency decreased means wavelength of that light will be increased. After the Raman scattering, the scattering lines are classified into three forms, that is Rayleigh line and Raman line. In that Raman lines there are two types, that is Stokes lines and anti-Stokes lines. We will see one by one. First one, I will discuss about Rayleigh line. That is the spectral lines having frequency equal to the incident ray frequency is called a Rayleigh lines. Already I told this. The frequency of incident light is equal to the frequency of a scattered light means these type of scattered lines are called a Rayleigh lines. Then Raman lines. The spectral lines which are having frequencies other than the incident ray frequency is called a Stokes lines. That is nothing but the frequency of incident light is not equal to the frequency of scattered light. These lines are known as Raman lines. Especially in Stokes lines, the frequency of the scattered light will be decreased. E is directly proportional to nu. In Stokes lines, frequency of Stokes lines lower, then the energy of the Stokes lines will be lower. But in anti-Stokes lines, the lines having frequencies higher than the incident frequency, that means E is directly proportional to nu, means frequency of the anti-Stokes lines higher, then energy also higher when compared to incident light. Thank you for listening.